Be doing canine searches. Yeah, you guys, can you stand over there on that side? Okay, no, they're watching us, dude, from the south side.
Tesco is let out to join the search. If he smells marijuana, this will give Zuniga probable cause to open the vehicle.
Where is he? It's crazy. Where is he, pal? All right, here we go.
The back seat is loaded.
Go ahead, confirm it, the vehicle's open, and confirm bundles.
Zuniga and Tesco find 35 pounds of marijuana, worth almost $30,000.
This is what I love doing. I'll do this all day long if I have to, and then when I get back to work, I'll do it all over again.